guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So as you can see by the title, this is another hair video, and this is a brand that I've never actually seen before until recently, and I'm not actually 100% sure on how to pronounce their name. It's IMBUE, spelled IMBUE. I will link them down below, but basically I have 7 different products that I'm going to try today, and they were sent to me because I entered a competition with an influencer and I won. I won and I received all these 7 full-size products for free, which is amazing because I don't usually win things, so that was fun. But of all things to win as well, hair products is perfect for me because it means that I obviously get a chance to show you guys what I got and how I liked it and whether or not I'd actually buy it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe as well. Obviously when you do that, it helps my channel, and then I know that you guys like the videos. So let's get straight into it so you guys can let me know how you like it. So just to show, I've got the shampoo and conditioner just here. I'm not too sure if that's going to focus. So I've got the Curl Liberating sulfate-free shampoo, and I've got the Curl Respecting conditioner. I will be using these in the shower, but yeah, I'll be back soon. Hey everyone, so I'm back. I also, properly showered, didn't just wash my hair, did my skincare routine, got a little bit of makeup on, and now I feel a little bit more human. So I realised that one of the products I didn't show that I would have been using in the shower was the Curl Restoring Intensive Mask. So it looks like this. So I literally did the shampoo just on my roots, and then I washed it out, and then I did the conditioner, and that was everywhere else except from my roots, and then I washed that out, and then I did this product. It says for 5 to 10 minutes. I think I did it more on the 5-minute side, and then I rinsed that out, and it's been a little while, but I can say that the products in the shower alone I love. The shampoo, most shampoos, I mean, they describe shampoos to be stripping of the hair because obviously it's supposed to be removing all the product, etc. And when using this shampoo, this is the second time I've used this shampoo, by the way, and I'm not too fond of the smell. It's not like a bad smell, but it's not as fruity or as nice as some other products can be. But when I tell you that it does not make my hair feel dry, I can't stress that enough, because usually you use a shampoo and then your hair feels like it's literally starving or thirsty for water, thirsty for conditioner, just thirsty. So in my opinion, using that conditioner, it really complemented the shampoo, because obviously the shampoo was already cleansing my hair and it didn't dry it out, and then adding the conditioner, all it can do is moisturize some more. So then this hair mask, I put it in, I washed it out, didn't feel like I was washing much of it out. So I hope it penetrated my hair. This is only the second time I'm using it, like I said. So now that I'm out the shower, I don't want to take too long because as you can see, my hair is starting to dry. So I just want to get straight in with the product. The next product that I'm going to be using is the Curl Inspiring Conditioning Leave-In Spray, and it looks like this. So I will just be spraying that. I'm just going to put 1/2 of my hair up. When I previously used this product, I did do it in smaller chunks. So if you do find that it's difficult to do your hair in any way that you're trying to do your hair, whether it's detangling or styling, if it's too much, just halving it, then just do it in smaller sections. I'm also the kind of person, I like to try different products, and I don't mind using quite a bit of the products when I use them. So you may not need as much leave-in spray as me, but it has been about 20 minutes since I came out of the shower and since I washed my hair, so like I said, it is starting to dry with no product in. So yeah, obviously it will be tailored to your hair. So now that I have added the leave-in spray and finger detangled, I am going to go in with the Curl Empowering Creme Gel. So this product, when I first used it, I wasn't too sure about it. I'm still not too sure about it. I'm not going to lie. Not too sure, because it's a creme gel. I'm not really sure what that is supposed to mean. Don't know if that's just to do with the texture, but it's not like a hard gel. Or it doesn't feel like a hard gel, not compared to what I'm used to anyway. But with all of these products together, they do work quite nicely. So although I'm not too sure about the gel, I don't know how the gel would work with other products, but using it with this set, I guess, seems okay. So another reason why you'd want to work in sections is just so that you can make sure that, one, you've detangled as much as possible, because if your hair is knotty and you haven't got all the tangles out, then it's not going to style as well. But also so you can make sure that you've just distributed the products evenly, and that way you have less sections that are just completely missed out. Because trust me, if you try to do a whole afro at once, you will miss a whole load underneath. The top may look nice, but underneath could look like a madness. Okay, so the next product I'm gonna go in with is the Curl Energizing Hydration Serum, and it looks like this. Looks like that, and I'm going to use it on my ends and work my way up. And then the next one I'm going to go in with is, sorry, I'm trying to keep them in order so I don't lose things as well. So the next thing I'm going to go in with is the Curl Worshipping Shine Oil, and it looks like this. Because I'm using this, I probably won't go in with my own oil. So I'm back, and this is what it looks like so far. So just to explain a little bit, I did the products in the exact same order for each section. I did about 6 sections over my whole head. The products seem easy to use. I don't know if I would buy them, just trying to think. So far with my hair, I haven't added anything else other than those products. I haven't added anything around my edges. They are quite soft. I'm not too sure if this would work if I did it around my edges and then tied it. So I might try that and then get back to you guys. And I think overall I'll probably try and put oh, sorry, there's hair everywhere. I'll probably try and put more of this in and around my hair, just because I'm seeing some parts as it's drying, some bits are a bit frizzy. I'm not too really fussed about frizz usually, but I kind of want to see the extent of how this product works specifically. But yeah, in terms of the style, I'm happy with how my hair is at the moment. I'm not really one to use much heat anymore, so if I was to use this and go out straight away, I'd probably just wait 15-20 minutes before leaving the house, so I don't leave with soap in my hair. But other than that, I wouldn't really do anything differently. So yeah, that is all the products that I have used. If you've used these products before or other products from this line, please do let me know. I actually got these products as a prize, so I didn't actually spend my money on it, but I am still trying to work out if I would. I think there are some products that I would definitely spend money on, and some products I'm a bit iffy on, I think. So like I said, the shampoo and conditioner were much better than I expected, and I would probably spend my own money on that. And then this leave-in spray, just because it's so easy to use, I think I would definitely buy this leave-in spray. The oil, I don't actually know how much this retails for. I need to double check, and depending on that would depend on whether or not I would buy it, just because I can make my own oils. I mean, I like the way you can use it. I like the fact that it's a little pump, so that's nice. And I think everything is kind of, it's bright coloured, it's really nice. And another thing that I did notice is they have numbers on them. So let me grab the shampoo and conditioner actually. Okay, so they have numbers on. So the shampoo has number 1, the conditioner and the hair mask has number 2, the leave-in conditioner has number 3, and so does the Creme gel, and then the oil and the serum have number 4 on them. So that's quite interesting. That is it for the video. I overall quite like the products. Like I said, there's some products that I probably wouldn't buy, not because they're not good, but I just think that there may be better products out there that do certain things. But I really do like the shampoo and conditioner. That is one thing I would say. I really do like both of them. If you have any other products that you would like me to try, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, but make sure that you comment below so that I can have a look. There are products out there that I don't know about. Obviously, I am doing YouTube part-time, or in my spare time I should say, so I really do appreciate when you guys reach out to me and let me know what kind of products you would like me to use or try for you. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, because it really does help my channel. It means that I know that you like the videos and I can keep making them for you guys. And that's it, so I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye!